Good afternoon. Dami nyo No? First Wednesday. Ganun ba? Tama ba? Yeah, first Wednesday. So it's nice to see you. I hope I see you not only during first Wednesday. My dear brothers and sisters, many of us have experienced rejection in our lives. From the very moment that we were growing up as child or children up to now, when most of us are adults, rejection has been part of our experience. Nung bata kayo, sabi nyo, punta tayo ng Manila Zoo. Sabi ng nanay nyo, hindi, wala tayong pera. Rejection. Gusto nyo kumain ng ice cream, sabi ng nanay nyo, hindi, kakain na tayo ng hapunan. Masisira ang pagkain mo. Rejection. Gusto nyong mag-enroll sa isang magandang school, sabi ng tatay nyo, anak, hindi natin kaya yan. Doon ka na lang sa public. Rejection. At ilan sa inyong mga lalaki ang nabusted? Meron kayong crush ng bayan. Gustong-gusto nyo, umiikot ang mundo nyo sa kanya. Nagtangka kang manligaw. At ang sabi ng iyong nililigawan, friends na lang tayo. Aray. Rejection. You applied for a job. Your friend who applied with you got accepted. You were not. Rejection. Rejection is part of our experience. But looking back, how did you handle rejection? How did you handle the rejections that came along the way? Maybe some gave up. Wag na lang. Kung hindi lang siya, hindi na ako mag-aasawa. Ayun. Kaya tumanda kang dalaga, no? O tumanda kang binata. Some gave up with their dreams because they were rejected before. But others persist. Others persist. And now they enjoy the success of their persistence. I think that is one of the messages of the gospel today. A woman was rejected. A Canaanite woman was rejected by the Lord. In fact, the Lord did not just rejected her, He said some, not so nice words to her. She was compared to a dog. But did the woman stop? But did the woman just go home and said, kung ayaw niya, di wag? No. She went on. She persisted. She begged. And finally, because of her faith, her wish was granted. I think this is a very important lesson to us. Many times, what we dream of will not be realized immediately. I will mention again Kaloy Yulo kasi yan ang medyo napapanahon. Euphoric pa tayo eh. Of course, never mind the family problem, no? But Kaloy failed at first. Many times. She failed in Tokyo 2020. But did he stop? No. He trained more. And now, he has condos, millions of pesos. because he won 2 medals. Magandang lesson yan sa atin. Kapag sa simula, hindi ka nagtagumpay, huwag kang hihinto. Sige lang, laban lang. We will experience rejection in our lives, but do not give up, because the other side of the same coin is success. Failure and success, they come together. Amen.